HTS 120A Industrial Cooling Skid System Core features: integrated chiller, water tank and water pump in one. Skid-mounted design enables easy installation and maintenance. Equipped with high-quality screw compressor and a 134A refrigerant, ensuring efficient and stable operation even at 50 degrees Celsius high temperature. Plate evaporator for high heat exchange efficiency. All stainless steel components offer corrosion resistance and water quality assurance. Supports 485 Modbus TCP communication for remote monitoring and control. Outlet water temperature 20-25, temperature accuracy ±1. Fully skid mounted and ready for use upon delivery.